Ndewo, aha m bụ Oby Okpala. Abụ m onye nkuzi Igbo ma bụrụkwa onye isi na the Supu project. Hello, my name is Oby Okpala. I'm an Igbo language teacher and also the founder and the head coach at the Supu project. Gịnị bụ the Supu project? So, we're a group of people, teachers, parents, and individuals that are interested in propagating Igbo language and Igbo culture. Sụpụ means say it, speak it. It's like saying, speak it out. Yeah, but Sụpụ. So the Supu project is about getting people to be more vocal in their learning of Igbo language. So Igbo language learning is not something one does in isolation. So you learn it and you practice it. You keep doing it. So yeah, but Sụpụ. That's what the Supu project is all about. We don't just teach you Igbo language or Igbo culture, but we find ways, be it internet resources or other means, to help you to keep speaking and practicing the Igbo language that you're learning. Mind you, the fact that I say Igbo language only doesn't mean that you cannot apply the principles of language learning that we teach and propagate at the Supu project to other languages. You can apply it to your learning of Yoruba languages. So one of the things we do at the Supu project is we get you to keep learning new words, new phrases, putting words together to make sentences like le, look, aka, hand, me or my. So when I say le akam, it means look at my hand. So we get you to keep learning these everyday common words and phrases that will help you to get better and better in whatever language you're learning. Like I said, the Supu project is not just about the language, of learning the language, but also practicing it. We also use avenues such as internet resources and games over the internet to help you practice. And also we do a lot of school enrichment programs. So if you're ever interested in the Supu project coming to your schools with our drums and shekeres, ka anyị soro unu maọbụ ka anyị kuzi unu ka esi eti egwu Igbo, please don't hesitate to drop us an email at info@thesupuproject.com. We also are very big on folktales. Anyị na-akọwa maọbụ anyị na-akọ akụkọ Igbo. So we tell a lot of Igbo language stories. Akụkọ ifo n'asụsụ Igbo. We do Igbo language folk tales, which is very engaging for the children and for adults as well when you listen to us. Our lessons are not just for children, they are also for adults and young adults. So please, and families, yes, families can also contact us and we're more than happy to help. You can find more information on our website, www.thesupuproject.com. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop us an email at info@thesupuproject.com. Aha m bụ Oby Okpala. Abụ m onye nkuzi Igbo na the Supu project, and I hope to hear from you soon. Daalụ.